The battery never lasts forever. The solar claim is a myth. For $359, AOSU promises a forever camera kit, but the solar panel barely keeps up. No subscription and 32 gigabytes local storage across 4 cams is genuinely rare at this price. You get encrypted footage without monthly fees, and the AOSU base keeps recordings safe even if a camera is stolen. Color night vision with 4 LEDs is a real upgrade over the usual 2 LED cams. At 3 megapixels resolution, you can actually identify faces and license plates in near darkness, which beats most rivals at this tier. Pan tilt with 360 degrees coverage and auto tracking means one camera covers what 2 fixed cams would, and cross-camera tracking links events across all 4 for easier review. IP66 weatherproofing and a 5-minute drill 3 holes install make this genuinely DIY friendly. You don't need a pro, and the kit handles rain and dust without flinching. The 4-cam live view on one screen is a practical touch for monitoring a whole property at a glance, and the one-click power control simplifies managing the system. Here's what you get. No subscription required with AOSU base. All recordings will be encrypted and stored in AOSU base without subscription or hidden cost. 32 gigabytes of local storage provides up to 4 months of video loop recording. Even if the cameras are damaged or lost, the data remains safe. AOSU base also provides instant notifications and stable live streaming. New experience from AOSU. 1. Cross-camera tracking * automatically relate videos of same-period events for easy reviews. 2. Watch live streams in 4 areas at the same time on one screen to implement a wireless security camera system. 3. Control the working status of multiple outdoor security cameras with one click, not just turning them on or off. And solar-powered, once installed and works forever. Built-in solar panel keeps the battery charged. 3 hours of sunlight daily keeps it running, even on rainy and cloud days. Install in any location, just drill 3 holes, 5 minutes. The solar panel only extends battery life. It doesn't keep the cam running indefinitely. In overcast weeks, you'll still pull the cam down to charge, which defeats the works forever claim. 3 megapixels is 2K on paper, but compression artifacts show in motion, details blur on moving subjects, so you might miss a license plate in the dark despite the color night vision. Cross-camera tracking only works within the AOSU ecosystem, and if you mix brands, like adding a Ring or Arlo, you lose that feature entirely. Lock-in is real. The base station adds a hub requirement. If it fails, all 4 cams are blind. No cloud backup option, so your local-only storage is a single point of failure. At $359, the D1 Classic is a solid value for the price, but don't buy into the forever marketing. Treat it as a battery cam with a trickle charge. Check the latest price and see if the D1 Classic fits your home. Link in the description.